53 divided by 3, here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0 0, 3 times 1 3, 3 times 2 6, 3 times 3 9, 3 times 4 12, 3 times 5 15, 3 times 6 18. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 plus 3 15, 15 plus 3 18. 3 goes into this 5 how many times? 2 times 6, which is greater, so 1 time, take 1. Now multiply. 1 time 3 3, 1 time 3 3, subtract 2, bring down this 3. 3 goes into 23 how many times? Look, 8 times 24, which is greater, so 7 times. Write 7 here. 7 times 3 21, subtract, you are getting 2. So our answer is 17, remainder 2. But if you want to write your answer in decimal form, then take here decimal, add number of zeros, bring down the first 0. But before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, which is greater, so 6 times. 6 times 3 18, subtract 2, bring down this 0. 3 goes into 20 how many times? Again 6 times. 6 times 3 20, 6 times 3 18, subtract 2, bring down another 0. 23 goes into 20 how many? Again 6 times. 6 times 3 18, subtract 2, you can bring down more 0, but since we have gotten 3 digit after decimal, you can place here 3 dot. So our answer is 17.666 dot dot dot. You can place a bar over 6 to mean that the 6 is repeating, so our answer is 17.6 bar.